If you don't live life to the max, maybe you should ask yourself why.
Chances are, you just need a catalyst to add venture, trademark, to your life.
Oh look, time to ride. Oh, let's go! Today, I'm gonna reignite the fire in your bellies so you can each find the catalyst to just adventure trademark. Everyone, it's time to adventure. Meet former ocean kayak enthusiast Liz Fuller.
Hi.
It says here that you once saw a pod of killer whales, but it was the ocean that ended up being the killer of your new phone.
I never got a picture of the whales because my phone got wet. And when I reached for my AirPods, they slipped out of my hand, and then a stupid seagull swooped down and swallowed them whole.
Tragic and weird. But today we're gonna find the catalyst to help Liz Fuller lead a fuller life again. Liz, hand me your phone and AirPods. They just need the ultimate protection that only a catalyst case can provide. Behold, we have protected Liz's phone and AirPods from the elements and released her from her fear. Now she can just adventure trademark.
It's fine. It's totally fine.
If you're letting the fear of an accidental drop, drowning, or destruction of your phone, tablet, watch, or AirPods stop you from living life to the max, I will help you find the catalyst to overcome your fears and just adventure back to your life.